Good morning, Steve Free in Chicago with the morning grain comments. Well, markets are kind of higher overnight. Beans up maybe 3 cents. Corn unchanged, wheat up 4. Outside markets, stock market's a little bit lower after yesterday's new highs. Again, most of the market looks for lower rates to equal higher equity markets. One thing that there is concern is why the Fed was so aggressive, and will we have a soft landing in the economy or a hard landing? The dollar is a little bit higher. Crude's a little bit lower, but still tested $72 a barrel overnight, and gold continues to trade higher. As far as the news and the grains, there really isn't a lot of news. The weekly export sales and beans were good. Corn not so good, and wheat not so good. Again, we're looking for a pretty aggressive harvest weekend across the U.S. Midwest. Driving around the western suburbs, saw a lot of the bean fields cleaned up, whereas a few farmers in the cornfields. Again, a lot of farmers like to let that corn stay out there and dry as long as the weather is conducive. Looks like we're going to have some rains moving across the Midwest this weekend and early next week, favoring the southern Midwest, could get into the eastern Midwest. Both the 6 to 10 day and 8 to 14 day, though, looks for dry and warm conditions in the west, and maybe some showers in the east. We'll be watching one of the hurricanes and see if it comes up the U.S. Gulf. Outside the U.S. weather, again, the Black Sea is mostly dry. There could be some showers down the road in central and northern Brazil, and China weather is mostly favorable for crops. So we're still looking and waiting for some kind of movement afoot on the election. It adds a lot of uncertainty to all of the futures markets and what happened since the candidates are so different and so far apart as far as taxes are concerned and spending.